Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you a new method by using an iPad and an Apple Pencil to quickly insert a formula or equation into our document. So when you are doing our assignment, you will find it annoying of writing a lot of equations. So as I set a typical standard, you might take a lot of time of inputting these I1, I2, I1, I3. Now let's do it. First of all, you should install the Microsoft Math application on your iPad. I think there's a similar application in an Android phone or Android tablet. So when you install it, just click the logo, the icon, and there are three tabs on top of this application. Now let me show you some of the features of this application. On the left, when we push scan, there's a search bar in the middle of this screen, and you can aiming at certain kind of formula and press this snap button, and or search certain kind of equations. And obviously it's wrong. It's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then we use our Apple Pencil to rescale the snap. And of course, something wrong with it. The evaluation was not correct. So this is something like a tricky of AI. On the right, this is type mode, which means you can use a lot of preset math models to set equations like this equals to 9, and it is very convenient to use some click. Now let me show you how to use a draw function. So in my Typora document, there's a equation named 11 times I1 minus 5I2 minus 6I3 equals to 12. Then let's use our Apple Pencil to write the equations down in the red canvas. So it is like 11I1 minus 5I2 minus 6I3 equals to 12. So yeah, it is very quickly to generate such an equation. Then let's copy it. Just press this equation and it showed copied. Then we just use the iOS and macOS continuity function of handoff. Press this math block and with an enter and use Command V, and you can see, yes, exactly the same. So we quickly insert hand draw equations from iPad. Great.